everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done a video, but I'm hoping that I'm going to be back doing videos very soon. But right now I'm here to share a video response for my friend Amy Love. You all know who she is. She is having a challenge on her channel for some Christmas ornaments for her mom's Christmas tree farm. And she's asking for shabby chic ornaments to be made, and I'm gonna have the link to Amy's video in the description box with all of the rest of the details in it, so please go over and watch that. She wants 2 ornaments, which I made 2, and I think it ends either November 1st or November 3rd. I can't remember the exact date, but anyway, the information is in her video in the description box below, so definitely check that out. So anyway, let me show you what I created, and I did this one first. It's a little large, but hey, what can I do? It's how I roll. I used a couple of, well, no, actually, I used fabric and then a piece of felt in between, and then I put doilies on top of it, and then I just went around the edge with this really pretty trim. This one's like gold and cream and white. So this is the front, and this lace here is this beautiful French lace that I have in my Etsy shop, and the link to my Etsy shop will be in the description box below as well. And the flowers are from my stash. These beautiful blingy snowflakes are from my store. I currently do not have these in stock, but they're coming back in, so watch the shop for that, because these were really popular last winter, so I'm going to be getting those in again, and I just had a couple left over, so I used them, but they are so sparkly. So I put one of those in the center after I'd layered up a bunch of doilies in the center as well. You can see there's a few layers of doilies in here. And then I used these flowers from my stash and this little trim that's got a dangle from my stash, and then I made a bow with this vintage lace and some pearl beaded trim from my stash. And that's basically the front, and I used some gold satin ribbon for the hanger. And then the back, she wants you to put your name and where you're from, because these are going to be hanging on the tree at the Christmas tree farm, and they want to know who made them and what country you're from and things like that. So they're going to be like from all over the place, which is very cool. So I just put my name and where I was from, and I added another one of the little snowflakes right here. And this piece here is from my stash. This lace is from the store. I'm not sure if I have any of this left in the store, but I have a ton of vintage laces in there, so definitely go have a look. So that is the first one. I'm not sure how wide that is. It's probably, yeah, look, it's 6 inches. Okay. I can hear Amy laughing because I made it too big. But anyway, Amy's are way smaller than mine, but I think any size will do. I don't think she wants them very big, not with a ton of dangles, because they have to hang on a tree. But again, go and watch Amy's video. She's got all the details for you. So that is my first one. So I hope you like it. The second one I did go a little smaller. You can see it's a little smaller. And this one I did in pinks and whites. Very Amy Love colors, and it says Happy Holidays on it. And of course I had to get my stickles out, because it's that time of year to stickle everything within an inch of its life. So all the roses are stickled, and I did around the Happy Holidays there. I used a pink seam binding for the bow. This lace with the leaves is from my stash, as is this one with the flowers, but the bling here, these are available in my store. These are like Aurora Borealis, but they come in a set of 10 mixed colors, and they're the perfect size for flower centers. And you get 10 in a pack, so that's a pretty good deal. And then I just used this vintage lace here that was in my store. There's none of that left, I don't think, but again, go have a look. And it's pink and white, and it has these little bows on it. It's so adorable. So I gathered that up and went around the edge and then layered the leaves on. So that's the front. Oh, and this, I put a dangle under here. This one here, it's like a raindrop dangle. This one is from my store as well, this dangle trim right here. That one. It's pretty popular dangle trim. So anyway, that's the front. And then the back, I just did kind of simply, I used a bridal applique, which is from my store. I sell bridal appliques in sets of 10. And then I used this little bow lace from my stash, just on either side, and I wanted to cover up the edge. So I just cut the little leaves that were on the edge of this bridal trim and just kind of went along the edge just to cover up the raw edge of, and there's some glue there, but we'll get that. Just to cover up the raw edge of the fabric where my name is. And then these pearls are from my store in the pearl set. And then just a flower from my stash. So they didn't take too long at all. This one was fabric as well that I thought would be really pretty, and it's kind of a satin fabric, but of course I ended up covering it all up so you don't even see it. But so that's how I did it. I just cut circles, put a piece of felt in between, and then layered doilies on top. So these are really super simple and easy to do. Basically a doily page, but it's a hanger. And then I used for the hanger on this one just some more of that vintage lace from my store. So that is the second one. So please go over and check out Amy's challenge. It's really fun. These were a blast to do. I really enjoyed doing them. And check out her challenge and definitely join in, because it'll be great having your ornaments hanging on a Christmas tree. I think it's in Kentucky, I'm pretty sure. It'll be great having all of our ornaments hanging on this really cool Christmas tree farm tree. It's going to be a whole shabby chic tree, so it'll be really fun. So definitely, I hope you guys will join in. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And again, the links to Amy's challenge video and my shop are in the description box. Until then, take care, guys. I will see you soon. Bye for now.